Say, welcome back to Roberts Race Cars by Triple B. We're in the truck. Where are we going?
To Nani's house.
Nani's house. We're gonna go see Nani and Pop Pop?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to my dad's house. We're going to Pop Pop's house. Which way?
Yeah.
That way?
That way.
Hopefully we'll get a motor to put in my car for Saturday, and we're gonna put the wrap on Papa's car, right?
Yeah.
Yep. You excited?
Yeah.
So here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. This way. Here we are at the original Roberts Race Car shop. What are you doing? Pulpwood truck motor? Smells like he was painting something. Oh, lacquer center. Gotcha. It's too late now.
Won't be like George and Ron.
Right. A lot of people will stick.
My pizza?
Yeah. We'll get it stuck on here in just a second.
You might not want to film this. You have to edit it.
I know. If anything, we lose some weight.
I had to put more gear in it.
What are you doing?
Tapping a hole.
So what necessarily does this do for the people that's watching that don't know?
We're providing crankcase ventilation.
Where's the wrench? Put it up.
Hanging on the side of the toolbox. That's the right size.
Probably not. Nope.
Boy's hard up for a motor. Had to pull one out from underneath the bench. Been sitting for 3 years.
What?
I said, you hard up for a motor.
I am.
We're gonna see how it goes.
It's won plenty of races in what, 5 or 6 different cars.
Yep. Old school.
Stud girls and all. Yeah. So it's ready?
I guess.
About 8,500?
Yeah.
88.
About one lap.
All right. Well, I'm ready to get started on your wrap whenever you are.
Okay.
Get the hot rod out the way. We'll load the motor up. We got it all finished up. Why you always run when I pick up the camera? What you got left to do now?
Move some tires. Get the tray straightened out.
That's his favorite part. What'd you say? Let's go, Brandon?
Let's go, Brandon.
Well, you'll be ready for Saturday. For sure, huh?
Yep.
Good deal. We're back at my shop now. We are about to get this motor out the truck, get it in here in the shop on the floor. We got 6 days to get it in the car, so we got to get late model out the way, this car rolled forward, get everything in it, get it all hooked up, get it fired up. Won't have to scale it, we didn't change anything like that. We just unplug the motor, we're gonna plug this one in. So I'll have another video coming here shortly, so we'll have it in there. And we'll definitely be at Outlaw Saturday. Can't wait. First race of the season at Outlaw for 2022. Really glad to get back out there and get back local. Just makes everything easier. Closer to the house, pays really good. 25-minute ride home instead of 4 hours. So here we go.